Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Yahoo Finance API. First, you'll need to choose a suitable library, like Finance for Python, which greatly simplifies data access. This allows you to connect to Yahoo Finance and pull various types of financial information directly into your applications or scripts. Understanding the basic setup is crucial for beginning your journey into programmatic market analysis. It's a powerful tool for anyone interested in market data. Once set up, fetching data is straightforward. You'll typically use a ticker symbol, like Apple for Apple, to specify the company. Then, you can define a date range to get historical prices, perhaps for the last 6 months or even several years. The API also provides current trading information, including the latest price and daily volume, giving you up-to-date market insights. After retrieving your data, the next step is analysis. You can process this information to calculate important financial metrics, such as a 50-day moving average or daily price volatility. This raw data can then be transformed into meaningful insights. Visualizing these trends through charts and graphs helps in understanding market movements and making informed decisions. Beyond basic stock prices, the API offers more advanced data, such as dividend history and stock splits. It's important to be mindful of API rate limits to ensure fair usage and avoid temporary blocks. Integrating this rich data into your own custom trading strategies or research projects can unlock deeper market understanding and provide a significant analytical edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.